Kaya pa ba?
Hindi ako na.
Ay, sama kayo dito. Ay, nasa. Sito. Siya ko.
Sabi nito eh.
Ay, kala ko si...
Both the player showed passion, determination, and everything no matter. Congratulations to Rachel Iwan.
Ayos naman.
We have two winners here, and they are Rachel Iwanan and Robin Villa. Represented to them for winning the champion title in the International Badminton Tournament under the category of singles. This certificate is proudly presented to Rachel Iwan.
Yeah.
Proudly presented to them for winning the first place title in the 19 to 30 division badminton tournament under the category of doubles ace. This certificate is proudly presented to Iwana and Loren.
Nak, tayo ka dyan, Nak. Nak, tayo ka dyan.